the key in the door. She left the kids at her mama's, and the laundry piled up on the floor. She left a ring on the pillow, right where it wouldn't be missed. She left a note in the kitchen next to the grocery list. It said, "You don't even know who I am. You left me a long time ago. You don't even know who I am. So what do you care if I go?" He left the ring on the pillow. He left the clothes on the floor. And he called her to say he was sorry, but he couldn't reach